and we're installing all the parts back in the car. Putting that diff back on there. And all the arms, let's get to it.
There is control arm bolts.
Go get the mallet.
You stupid
Piece of shit.
The front studs first. Yep, right there.
Ah, damn. You're a big dude in a small car.
I've been in a Miata.
Oh, thank you for putting the harness bar in. That looks real good.
It's still a little loose in here, but
We'll tighten that up.
yeah, I'll tighten that up right now.
Yes, sir. So quick update, we just been hammering on the car, but we got all the rear arms and the rear subframe on. About to do the other side. Chris on this side's doing the front, putting the LCAs in the hub. Would you look at that? Hey, Martin.
What?
Martin. Martin.
What?
Martin. Hey.
Yeah.
Alright, Chris, how's it going?
You know, I'm existing. I got this side primarily together. We're still missing the rack. You're missing what? Rack spacer? Well, not rack spacers. The rack bushings, Z32 calipers, the rotors. But and then you still need to paint the sway bar that
We literally been at this for one straight week and trying to get the whole car done. This is frustrating, but we're gonna get it done. We're gonna get it done. So we got the front end almost installed. My parts from Juku came. We got Z32 calipers.
Yeah, I missed the fancy calipers over here. Nack, what day is this now?
This is like day on it.
Day 25.
This has been way too long. Way too long.
Almost lost your rotor.
Oh no.
No, because it slipped out of the box.
Oh,
it actually came.
Oh no.
We got the nice slotted rotors. Which way does open? So there is a specific way that these are actually supposed to go. I think this is the passenger side. I know it's really debated between people. I'm gonna look it up. But the actual like slots actually matter.
Yeah. Does it really matter? So my bumper has seen better days. It's pretty cracked. This is the front one.
Better days. Your whole car has seen better days.
Yeah, it's rough out here.
What the fuck? I was just trying to get a light.
Damn, is that a lightsaber?
You
were the chosen one!
Oh shit. It's like a knife.
Hey, hold on. Keep the light on, keep the light on.
You?
Where's
the guy she tells you not to be with?
Alright, so we got the Z32 Foo-Foo. What is it called?
The Z32 front calipers?
No, but what is the brand called?
I don't know. You ordered that shit.
Rofu? Wait, let me see.
I got I got PBM, so.
Rofu.
Rofu.
Rofu. The Z32 Rofu.
And then you gotta imagine when it's actually all in.
Damn. But yeah, we got the rotor in, pads, caliper. We also put the N style brake line in there. It's pretty sick. And then we're putting the brake lines in for the hydro. Yeah, so we're hammering away with the car. I'm sorry we're not filming a bunch of stuff, but we're trying to get it done so we can go to Vegas Drift. We gotta clean this garage. It's so dirty. We need to make some space. But we're getting all the mods in. We need to put the drive shaft back in. Yeah, so we're still hammering away. I'll film as much as I can, but dude, like, oh, it's just so much stuff. It's so hard to film everything last minute. So I ended up buying a new quick release, so I'm gonna put that on. Moment of truth. Let's see if it finally goes in. There's no ding? Oh, that's depressing. And just like that, the steering wheel's back in.
What did you guys do to my
I'm sorry.
What? Oh!
What the happened? I didn't get a warranty on this at Harbor Freight, dude. You owe me a new light. Like $30. No, the other one. The big ass one.
No, Chris. Why are you walking all the way around? We could just hand it to me.
You literally could have had this right here.
So this one, the M18?
Yeah,
Yeah.
the big ass 18 to 9.
Yeah, it is. Oh, yeah.
eBay.
Yeah.
Yep, high output. Watch it. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Ow, it's hot. Aborted this one. We got a new one right there.
This dings? I literally did it.
Yeah, and it didn't ding.
Well, try it again.
I'm telling you, it dings.
No, it doesn't. I just did it.
Watch it. Watch this. Ready? Oh, retake.
Oh, it does ding. Hey, it dings.
Take number 25.
Yeah, no, off. Sweep all that metal shards. We don't want to get tetanus out here.
I got my tetanus shot. I'm fine. You guys aren't.
Oh, I know it, Chris. Chris, you get your tetanus shot?
I haven't been to the doctors in a long time, Doc.
Oh, man.
We're taking apart your dash because we get to finally put the nice Hydro Boy.
We got this special ass box from the boys at Chase Base. Braided lines. And we got the reservoir. Then we get the hydro stuff. Woo! Alright, so there you go. Thank you. Give you some of the hardware.
Yeah.
Oh god. Chris is hacking into the dash.
I should be wearing safety glasses.
You get there?
Thick thighs do not save lives. They do, but they don't.
Are we working hard?
No, Mr. Energy over here is.
Mr. Energy.
Yeah, this is Mr. Energy himself.
Chris, is that true? You Mr. Energy?
Not anymore.
Ooh, you hear
So a
that?
little backstory. Chris used to be sponsored by NRG.
You hear this? Is this true?
That was
This
that was SEMA.
They gave him free shit. I think it's partial sponsorship.
You got any sponsors? Who? Alana? Alana's your sponsor?
This is why you don't buy Hydro.
Sorry. Martin is just a hater.
I am not a hater.
He's just a hater. He's a mad hater.
Right. Stock e-brake. Great.
No, he's a hater. Mad hater.
Trying to bring this up to Chris spec.
Well, Chris is doing the hydro, Martin and I are doing the power steering. I didn't buy the bracket, Martin. Cause literally, that's the link you sent me. And I sent it, and I bought it.
It literally says, "Do you want the S chassis mount?"
Well, you didn't even tell me.
Said no.
You didn't tell me
went
about the
through-
banjo bolt.
you went
Where's
through
the banjo
every-
bolt? The
And
banjo-
shipping clearly.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
clearly shipping. Where is it?
He wanted to wait until a week before a drift event to take apart his whole car. So not even get on me about it.
Look. Wait, where's the banjo bolt?
It's supposed to be right there.
Oh, yeah. So we need that banjo bolt for the Chase Base kit. That's coming on Saturday. The drift event is literally
Sunday
Sunday.
morning.
Sunday.
We have to be there at 7 a.m.
Oh, we'll make it. Hydro's in. Ready for some skids,
This is
player.
just what I mean.
Itchy. Knee. Son. You like that?
I'm so tired of you right now.
You like that?
I'm so tired.
You like that? You like that? So we finally got the car back on the ground. Sorry, there's gonna be a huge gap because we were trying to get this car done. A bunch on the to-do list.
Buddy, I'm busy right now. I'm working on a car.
Let's work it, Miley.
She's saying pretty, ain't she, Chris?
I hate you.
Aww.
I'm so tired.
Aww. I got everything done on the list. I just need to do that.
And don't forget it.
I don't even want it from you anymore.
So we put all the new arms on, all the new bushings, same as the front. We put the new rack I rebuilt in with all the new tie rods. We also put the chase bays, power steering reservoir. We also got the hydro situated. Chris resin bondoed.
I fixed
sanded.
your goddamn bumpers.
he
So,
fixed
literally,
everything.
I think I have like 40 hours worth of labor in this
Look
goddamn
at
car.
that. Chris really did that. He went above
For the
and
free?
beyond. He's wild.
For a
He's
pee-pee
wild.
touch.
For a pee-pee touch. I want to give a shout out to Andy for lending me these wheels for the event. Dude, these are 17 by 9 plus 22. These look so good. These look crazy. I might have to get myself a pair. Alright, we're pretty much done. We just got to do a toe plate alignment and the car should be cherry for tomorrow's event. I want to give a huge shout out to Andy for letting me borrow the front wheels. I want to give a shout out for Martin and Chris for helping me put this car together. We did like a month's worth of work in like a week and a half, just non-stop, and it's been absolutely crazy. But we're gonna get this car driving tomorrow and we'll have some fun. It's gonna be a crazy day. It's gonna be a blast, have fun with friends, but I can't wait. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.